Today we're diving into one of the most mysterious and talked about future fighter jets, the new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41, Russia's next-generation interceptor designed to replace the legendary MiG-31. What is the MiG-41? The MiG-41, also known as PAC-DP, is expected to be a sixth-generation interceptor built for extreme speed, high altitude, and long-range air defense missions. It's designed to counter hypersonic threats, stealth aircraft, and even near-space targets. Speed and performance. Reports suggest the MiG-41 could reach speeds of Mach 4 to Mach 5, making it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever developed. With advanced engines and heat-resistant materials, it's built to operate where most fighters simply can't. Stealth and technology. Unlike older MiG designs, the MiG-41 is expected to feature stealth shaping, radar-absorbing materials, and advanced electronic warfare systems. Artificial intelligence may assist pilots with threat detection, targeting, and mission management. Weapons and combat role. The MiG-41 is rumored to carry hypersonic missiles, long-range air-to-air weapons, and possibly anti-satellite capabilities. Its main role will be defending vast airspace, intercepting high-speed threats, and dominating high-altitude combat. Why the MiG-41 matters. With increasing hypersonic weapons and space-based threats, the MiG-41 represents a shift toward future-focused aerial defense. If introduced as planned, it could redefine interceptor aircraft for decades. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41 remains partly classified, but its rumored capabilities already make it one of the most exciting upcoming fighter jets in the world. Stay tuned to Bike Zone for more updates on cutting-edge military technology.